Hello, it's me. My name's Red, not blue or orange. Oh man, that's a loud dog. That's definitely a loud dog. Anyway, hey Noriko, you're so silly. Today is a wonderful day. Wonderful begins with W, and so does today. That's right, Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, December 9th. Wednesday's like the middle of the week. Look, like 1, 2, 3 days have already gone, and 1, 2, 3 more days are left. Right? So isn't that awesome? And tomorrow, it's a holiday called Hanukkah. Maybe we'll talk a little bit more about that tomorrow. Anyway, I'm ready to rock and see what the word of the day. Hey, 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 the word of the day. Ready, Mr. C? Okay. Yeah, I'm ready. All right, here we go. All right, thank you so much, friend. It's time for our... All right, and I have a helper today that I think may help us with our word of the day. Are you going to help us with our word of the day? All right, and so, maybe not, she's not going to help us. Our word of the day is some letters may or may not be flying in here shortly. I'm not sure, but let's see. Oh, we have our first letter, D, right? D. What is our next letter? D, aw, daw. Could be do if it's a sight word, but I think there's one more letter. D. Oops. D, aw, g. D. Good. What sound do you hear? What three sounds do you hear? You're right. It's funny because we just had one of these on our set, right? Our word of the day, I'm not even going to tell you what it is. I think you can figure it out, right? So with that being said, let's slide this over. So our word of the day starts with the letter D. So I'm going to do a circle. Always trying nice pretty letters. Zero or an O. Not really a zero, I should say. It's an O, a circle, and a circle, and a line. D, A, G. Huh. Wonder what I just said. And of course, T for typing. Get your keyboard out. Right. D, A, G. Dog. And of course, that word is somewhere over here. There's a few D's in here, so you're going to have to find. I will give you a clue which D to look at. If you look at this D right here, and maybe you look down, you might find the... All right, welcome to our number bond. Let us remember, as a review, see this symbol right here? How do we say this symbol? This symbol is the plus sign, right? Plus, plus. It means we're adding. This symbol right here is equal. So we're saying something plus something is the same as or equal to something else. And of course, we have our, thanks to Mrs. C, magical horn. So we have a few numbers here. Let's see, the numbers we have are 1, 7, and 8. And I'm wondering if there's any way we can combine two numbers to make the third number. And I think there is. For example, if I take 7, and I take 1 more than 7, what's 1 more than 7? Well, 1 more than 7 is the number 8, right? 7 of one thing, 7 smiley faces, maybe it's 7 butterflies, right? 7 butterflies. And if I add 1 more butterfly, then how many butterflies do I have? Well, that's great. I have 8 butterflies, right? 8. So when we do this, we're going to take number 7, right? 7. And we're going to add the number 1. And that's going to equal the number 8. So how do we read this number sentence? 7 plus 1 equals 8. That's right. 7 plus 1 equals 8. But I also wanted to point out that if we were actually to switch these numbers around, and we had 1, and we added 7 more, we would still have 8. So the other way we could write this is 1 plus 7 equals 8. Remember, I want to hear you reading your number sentences, right? Just like 1 plus 7 is 8, 1 plus 7 is 8. Can't wait to hear you read it, and always keep up the good work, Kinder Rockets. Can't wait to see you in class, and always remember, I'm a Kinder Rocket, I'm kind, I'm safe, I do my best, I'm a kind rocket. Bye-bye.